Hello, hi. How is everyone? Just gonna wait for Instagram to catch up. Hi everyone. Just a random Saturday morning live from my bathroom. I haven't actually done a live in here before, so please let me know if the connection isn't very good. Give me a little thumbs up if it's okay. It looks like it's behaving normally. Hi, hey everyone. How you doing? Everyone's having a good Saturday. I thought I'd just hop on here because I thought you might mostly be sitting at home bored, drinking a cup of coffee, wondering how on earth you're going to spend another February Saturday in lockdown. So here I am, just to provide a bit of amusement for you all. Hi Emma. Brilliant. So the reason I have actually got a reason to be here, I'm not just going to whiffle on. We have some new home facial kits and the response to them has been amazing, and I just thought I'd come on here and tell you all a little bit more about them because there are 3 and I might be able to help guide you to which one is right for your skin, and I'll just chat you through what's in them, and if you've got any questions you can ask me. So I'm going to start with the Winter Wonders kit because that's been around for a couple of weeks. So some of you might have already seen this and you might have even bought it. And this is the 3 kits that we've got, each address a different area of skin stress. And the Winter Wonders kit is dealing with sensitivity. And it's also brilliant, it's our winter skin kit, so it's brilliant at protecting your skin against colder weather as well. And you won't be surprised to hear that it is our Super Seed range. Anyone who's familiar with Super Seed will know how brilliant it is at dealing with sensitive skin and protecting your skin and just rebuilding your skin, making it more resilient. So in the Winter Wonders kit comes in this gorgeous little feed your skin bag. You have got the Super Seed cleansing oil and really importantly a proper face cloth with that. So these are all minis. So it's a brilliant way to try the brand, or just if you wanted to get a whole routine from VOTARY and you wanted to give yourself a VOTARY facial, this is what these kits are about. So Super Seed cleansing oil with the cloth. You've got a mini Super Seed serum. I love these, they're so cute. Super Seed facial oil, mini. And a mini nutrient cream. You also get, I'm really going to struggle holding all these things. You also get the rose quartz facial roller. So this kit is for you if you are sensitive, if you are pregnant, if you are suffering from any kind of winter skin conditions, perhaps you're getting a little bit of redness in the cheek area, little patches of dry skin, little sort of flakes of eczema, that kind of thing. This is Super Seed is for you. The routine would be double cleansing with the Super Seed cleansing oil. So do an initial cleanse, and then what I like to do is pop a layer of that on my skin for a second cleanse and then get in the bath and let that sit as a mask. And that works really brilliantly at helping with dryness. I would then apply the Super Seed serum. And I don't know about you guys, but with rollers, it's different to gua sha. I actually like to use rollers with my serums. So I'd apply the Super Seed serum and then I'd roller that in. Then I'd apply the Super Seed facial oil, and then the cream I wouldn't use every time. That's personal to me, but I would apply that particularly before I go outside into the cold air. It's brilliant at protecting your skin from cold air. So that is the Winter Wonders kit. Hang on, prices. So the Winter Wonders kit is £90. It should be 121, so you're getting a saving. I've written all this down, that's why I'm looking over there. A saving of £31. So that's the Winter Wonders kit. So next, I'll tell you about, now this is selling amazingly. So if you think this is the kit for you, I wouldn't hang about because they are limited edition, these kits. This is the Glow Getters. And this is our skin rejuvenation kit. This is for if your skin is feeling a little bit dull, a little bit, you're just waking up without that glow, and you're seeing an increase in fine lines, and all of those can be stress-related conditions. They can also be related to just getting a bit older, but hey, That's the wrong kit. Brilliant. I'm doing well, aren't I? Okay, so this is the Glowters Kit. You can see why I thought it was the other one because it says Get the Glow. Anyway, it's in the Sleeping Beauty bag. I'm gonna open this one up. So in the Glowters Kit, you get the Rose Geranium Cleansing Oil. Again, these are all minis. You of course get the proper face cloth. You get the new, this is quite exciting, the new Brightening Hyaluronic Serum Mini. So if you've been wanting to try it, brilliant way to do that. You get the mini night oil. And I know these are minis, but when they're pure oils, they last a really, really long time. So that's the mini intense night oil. Then you've got the mini intense overnight mask and a gua sha. So the routine for the Glowters Kit, this is obviously an evening routine. You can use the Rose Geranium Cleansing Oil and the Brightening Hyaluronic Serum in the morning, of course, but the two night products are for night use. So I would double cleanse, just like you did with the Super Seed Cleansing Oil with the Rose Geranium. Do a first cleanse, do a second cleanse. Then apply your Brightening Hyaluronic Serum. Then your night oil, and I would take the gua sha at that point and I would give yourself a really amazing massage with the night oil and the gua sha. I try and do my evening routine quite early. I love a bath. I love an early evening bath, about 6 o'clock in the evening, particularly in the winter. And the benefit of doing your skincare routine then is that you have more energy and you're going to take more time. If I wait until I go to bed, which is, I don't know, anywhere from 10 till midnight, frankly, I'm knackered and I'm just not going to spend the time, and I skip steps and I just don't do it thoroughly enough. So if you can, do your evening routine really early, and it also has the added benefit of cleansing your skin earlier. So if you're wearing makeup or SPF, you're getting it off the skin earlier, which is always a good thing. But the reason I'm mentioning that is because I then wait. I don't apply this because the night oil has the retinoid in it. I like to apply that earlier, give it a few hours to do its work, and then I leave this by my bed, the overnight mask, and I just apply, oh my God, I can never open these, here we go. I just apply a lovely layer of that just before I go to bed. And that just makes sure my skin is really hydrated, really comforted. We've got oat kernel flour in here, which is a brilliant barrier repair ingredient. So again, if you're feeling dry and dehydrated, it's great. We've got narcissus extract in here, which is a brightening ingredient, and hyaluronic acid. So it's a really comforting, cocooning treatment for the skin. And you can use it, I know it's a mask, you can use it every night. It's really skin dependent. So you might use it once or twice a week. At the moment, I'm using it every night. So that is the Glowters Kit. Now, that is £95 and it should be 127. So you're getting a saving of £32 on that kit. That is the Glowters. Okay, now I can pick up the other one. The Get the Glow Kit, which is actually the Breakout Heroes Kit. So this is for you if you are suffering from maskne, if you're getting any just sort of stress-related breakouts, if your skin is a little bit oily at the moment, this kit is for you. Now, what we've got in here is, and this is quite exciting, a full-size clarifying cleansing oil. So that's 100ml. So you get the full size of that, and you get, obviously, the face cloth. You also, now we've gone a bit different with this one. We really thought about the curation of this kit because we haven't actually put the clarifying cleansing on it, the clarifying facial oil in. We have gone for obviously the blemish rescue oil, because if you've got breakouts, you're going to need to use that. This is for when your breakouts actually appear. So you just take a drop and you massage it into a spot. Salicylic will get to work. It's 2% salicylic acid in here. And the lovely plant oils will nourish the skin around, help prevent any scarring, speed up the recovery time. We've also included, though, our Super Boost night drops. And this is the mini again. Because skin that is breaking out tends to be quite inflamed, and this product with its CBD content is brilliant at soothing any inflammation. So if you are suffering from breakouts, this little duo, the Blemish Rescue Oil and the Super Boost Night Drops, is a bit of a dream team. So what I would do is apply the Blemish Rescue Oil first, just to the breakouts, and then I would smooth this all over the skin. So that's what we've got here. And we've also included a mini of the new Brightening Hyaluronic Serum, because again, that is fantastic on breakout prone skin because it's so lightweight. It won't congest the skin. It's got some lovely acids in there, some glycolic acid, some hyaluronic acid, and some antioxidants as well. So fantastic on breakout prone skin. So that kit, we got a huge saving on that one. It should be 138. We're selling it for 95. I feel like I'm on QVC, sorry. And the saving is £43. So that's the Breakout Heroes Kit. So yeah, that's kind of it. Has anyone got any questions for me? I'm here. I've got nothing else to do, a bit like everyone else. So if you've got, I'll have a little look. Oh, hi, Samir. Hi, nice to see you. Just having a little look, seeing if anyone's got any questions. Okay, if I've got a lot of products on the go, I have got a lot of products on the go. If I bought the Glow Getters, how soon would I have to use it up? So it will last, just don't open the products. We usually say 6 months after opening, but if you buy it, then, and you keep them closed, then ages. Don't worry about it, you could totally buy it. Someone else saying that they did an early evening routine. So yeah, that is all I've really got to say. I'm going to leave you all to your lovely Saturday, and I hope you're all really, really well. And that's about it. So take care. Bye.